Hey everyone, Jace here with the Kwik-E-Mart by LEGO Simpsons. Set number 71016 contains 2,179 pieces. Recommended building ages are 12 and up. Here is the Kwik-E-Mart. 6 figures are possibly included. Nice colorful box art. This box is heavy. So here's the back with all the various actions. Lots of stuff going on. Well, let's not stare at the box any longer. Let's open it up and see what's inside. Now, seeing that this is a large set, I'm hoping the bags are numbered. Let's just pour it all out on the table. It's like an avalanche full of parts. So the bags are indeed numbered. Nothing else in the box. Okay. Now honestly, I don't know how long this is going to take to sort all the bags out. We obviously know that there's at least 8 bags. A bag full of plates. We have a chassis. Bag 6. So you get the idea. You got a couple of chassis and a plate that's floating around in the bottom of the box. So give me a moment to arrange the bags so we can see how many there are. There are 8 groups of bags. I counted up approximately 18 in total. We have a couple of chassis and a few 8x16 plates. And we have a set of instruction manuals with stickers. Let's open this up real quick. It's taped on the top. Matter of fact, I'm ripping the package open before I can even get the tape to remove. And they are bound by cardboard to keep the manual flat. And I'm beginning to like LEGO's new design of the bounded manuals. Really good. So here we have the colored manual. And the Kwik-E-Mart does come with 2 sets of stickers. I was hoping the elements would be printed. So that's a lot of parts. So let me get sorted so we can explore the Kwik-E-Mart. The Kwik-E-Mart all assembled. This is one fun set to put together. On the right we have the Kwik-E-Mart. Top left we have the police car. On the bottom left we have 6 figures. So let's take a closer look. First, let's have a look at Apo and Bart Simpson. Their torsos are printed, as well as Bart's shorts. Looks like Bart is holding a spray paint can. I wonder what he's up to. Apo is obviously holding a broom. Honestly, I cannot pronounce his last name, so I'm not going to attempt that. The torsos are printed on one side only. Next up we have Homer and Marge Simpson. Both their torsos are printed. Marge is holding a basket, possibly to be used to store goods while she's shopping. She is even wearing a cloth skirt. That was tough to put on. You all know how much I love skirts. The back of Marge's torso is printed as well. Finally, we have Chief Wiggum and Snake. Both their torsos are printed. Snake is handcuffed, so he was up to no good. Chief Wiggum is holding a baton or club. The torsos appear to be printed only on one side. However, the print work on Chief Wiggum's sleeves is printed. Next up is Chief Wiggum's patrol car. This car was caked with lots of stickers. I decided not to put the stickers on. It looks better as an unmarked police car. The vehicle does have side mirrors as well as large doors. The trunk of this vehicle does open up. Plenty of room inside. The top of the patrol car does open up. The interior consists of a steering wheel and a gear shift. This vehicle can seat up to 3 minifigures. The front seat can seat 2 minifigures side by side. It is a bit of a challenge to get the figures to sit in the vehicle. As you can see, I'm fighting Chief Wiggum to sit down. He's not cooperating. Maybe he needs to lose the nightstick. One more thing to note is that the fence in the back does come off. We'll leave that out right now. Let's put Snake in the back. He is a bit of a challenge to have him sit in the back. I just throw him in real quick and hope for the best. Let's put the fence back in. Getting everything to line up is a bit of a challenge. So let's leave the fence out. Chief Wiggum doesn't want to sit up straight while he's driving. Sleeping on the job again, huh? Okay. I got everyone seated in correctly. Everybody buckle up. Here we go. It does glide smooth on a flat surface. It is one nice patrol car. Nice feature is that it can seat up to 3 figures. Getting the figures out, however, is a bit of a challenge. Things are just falling off the vehicle. So basically, this vehicle is meant to be admired. Oh, Wiggum lost his club again. He's been too busy eating donuts. But overall, it is a nice patrol car. Nice attempt. One nice vehicle indeed. Finally, we have the Kwik-E-Mart. This is one awesome convenience store. It does feature several stickers that I wish not to put on. I did, however, put the Kwik-E-Mart on the sign. The store does feature double entry. It does use the blue transparent elements. I wish they were more of a smoked or clear. These two tiles are supposed to say no parking, but I decided not to put those on. Here we have a bike rack. Too bad the set didn't come with at least one bike. On the right we have a set of phone booths. Here we have a storage area that does open up. There is an arm that does pull out to hold the door up. It does have a dumpster inside. It's a nice blue dumpster at that. It does rest on a set of wheels, however they do not rotate. Top does open up to reveal 2 trash bags. It is a nice dumpster indeed. Here's the side. We have a small refrigerant unit and a downspout from a rain gutter. Here's the rear. We do have rear access into the store. Nice blue door that does open up into some sort of storage area. We do have a mouse with cheese. We have a mouse hole in the back as well. So the store is obviously infested with rodents. And here we have the last side. It's plain. There is some profile bricks protruding from the sides. Now this model does open up and fully playable. This does swing out to reveal the interior of the store. The top part of the roof does come off. Here we have a little garden of some sort and an air conditioning unit. Nice detail. There is lots of stuff going on inside the convenience store, so let's take a closer look. The interior of the Kwik-E-Mart is packed with lots of features. Let's start with the donut and hot dog stand. Here we have an ATM machine. Yes, those tiles are printed. Lots of literature inside the Kwik-E-Mart. We do have a security camera. Couple of freezers in the back. Here we have a coffee machine or a cappuccino machine. Here we have the checkout and Apu's famous squishy machine. Looks like we have an area in the back for fountain drinks. 2 arcade machines. We have 2 sets of shelves with various goods. This one has bananas and apples. These can be removed. Three cartons of milk. Those are printed. Crustios. Those are printed as well. Here we have another set of shelving. Various containers and such. Those containers are printed as well. So we have strawberries, candy, and cookies. These two elements are supposed to say sale. I like the way that these do remove for easy access. Really clever idea. More code storage. This door is supposed to have a frozen man inside. I didn't put the sticker on that element, but this door can be removed. It does easily go back inside. That's a safety hazard, you got to be careful. Don't open up that door if you're going to visit the Kwik-E-Mart. Here's another one full of soft drinks, I believe. Here's the storeroom. We have the mouse inside. There's the mouse hole. That storeroom is not that large. It's only 3 studs deep. Just enough for a minifigure to walk through. Here we have a set of doors on the roof access. Not a whole lot of storage in there. Here we have various boxes and such. Probably cases of soda. These were supposed to have stickers. I didn't put those on as well. The interior of the Kwik-E-Mart has a lot of space for minifigures to move around. It is bright inside. The Kwik-E-Mart is easy to fold back up. Simply replace the top roof piece first, and then simply fold up the back. It does lock in place. Nice seamless construction. Nice fully playable unit. Now let's take a closer look at the exterior. I like the design for the E for the Kwik-E-Mart. The stickers were a bit difficult to put on the brick, as they are the same size as the brick. I managed to put them on straight. I like the phone booth. Those elements are printed. Close-up of the arm. That could have been thought out a bit better. That mouse has a nice cozy place to stay, even with the cheese. I think the mouse hole is a bit small for the mouse. Nice use of the transparent light blue elements for the skylight. Not a big fan of these holes, so obviously the roof is going to leak. A purple air conditioner. That's a first for me. So it looks like Apu's got a garden on top with cherries and carrots. Even a few bushes as well. Here are these stickers and spare pieces after assembling the Kwik-E-Mart. The set did come with a lot of stickers. Nice print work. This one says Kwik-E-Mart Too many stickers for this set, in my opinion. Next, we do have a brick separator to help with the build. On the right, we have various bricks, plates, and other various elements which may come in handy to enhance the Kwik-E-Mart or for other LEGO creations. This concludes the review for the Kwik-E-Mart by LEGO Simpsons, set number 71016. This is truly one awesome set. You have 6 figures, as well as the police car, in addition, the Kwik-E-Mart. Some elements in the Kwik-E-Mart are printed where some require stickers. In my opinion, this set had too many stickers. It would have been a nice touch if the elements were printed. But other than that, this is one awesome set. I highly recommend it for any LEGO City or LEGO Simpsons theme. Thank you all for watching.